Videos are the main trend for the upcoming years. The total view time of YouTube videos increases every year by 50%. 80% of the global internet traffic in 2019 will be from videos. People remember only 10% of the information they heard 3 days ago, but do remember 65% of what they watched. Now is the perfect time to tell about your project on YouTube. Video content will attract 82% of consumers' traffic in 2020. According to the last year's statistic from the TNS company, YouTube covers the age category from 18 to 44 years old better than any federal channel. However, the cost of YouTube ads is significantly lower than on TV. Think about these numbers. 1,600,000,000 people watch YouTube every month. 5 billion videos are watched every day. More than 300 hours of videos are uploaded on YouTube every minute. YouTube is the second global search engine after Google. Many people believe that YouTube is just an entertainment platform for teenagers where they watch fun videos with cats, pranks, and speed chips eating challenges. That's completely wrong. More than half of YouTube viewers are financially reliable adults, aged from 30 years old. This is the audience that is ready to purchase your goods and services.